To report a Trust Wallet installation issue, follow these steps. First, ensure you have the latest version of Trust Wallet installed on your device. If you are experiencing issues, try uninstalling and reinstalling the application. Next, gather all relevant information about the issue, including any error messages or screenshots of the problem. This will help the support team to better understand and resolve your issue. Then, go to the Trust Wallet website and click on the Support tab. From there, you can submit a request for help and provide the information you gathered earlier. Be sure to include your device type, operating system, and a detailed description of the issue. In your report, provide as much detail as possible about the issue, including when it started and any steps you have taken to try and resolve it. This will help the support team to quickly identify the problem and provide a solution. It is also a good idea to check the Trust Wallet FAQ section and community forum to see if other users have experienced the same issue and found a solution. Finally, be patient and wait for a response from the support team. They will do their best to resolve your issue as quickly as possible. By following these steps, you can effectively report a Trust Wallet installation issue and get back to using the application with minimal disruption.